man drives a car off a cliff with an unknown height. He decides to light a cigarette while counting how long he has fallen. He bursts into flames and finds that he falls for 4 seconds. How high is the cliff? Okay, what are we looking for? Well, this is pretty obvious with a question, how high is the cliff? So we want to know height, which is also known as y. Okay, what are we given? We are given time, which is 4 seconds, and we are going to use the equation y equals 1/2 gt squared. So we have another variable here, g, but we always know what g is. G is the acceleration, and that is 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay. So we can examine our little guy here falling, the flames and smoke. Yeah, and he's going into the ocean. And we want to know this distance here. So to do this, I'm going to rewrite our equation. Y equals 1/2 gt squared. And plug in our numbers with units, remember units, 9.8 meters per second squared times 4 seconds squared. Okay, what I did here was I put these in parentheses to show that they're separate parts of the equation. Now, order of operations. We do parentheses first, then exponents. Well, there's nothing happening in these parentheses, so we're going to square this 4 seconds. But what happens is we square the number and the units. So we get 1/2 times 9.8 meters per second squared times 4 squared is 16 and seconds squared. So now we can see right here, units will cancel out because we have seconds on the bottom and seconds on the top. Second squared on the bottom and top. So now we're just left with meters, which we want because we're looking for height. So go to our handy dandy calculator, 9.8 times 16 divided by 2 equals y equals 78.4 meters.
What is that in feet?
In feet. Looks like we'll need some dimensional analysis. So we're going to take our 78.4 meters and go back over here. Put this over 1. Now we want meters to equal feet. So how will we do that? Well, we have to know how many feet are in a meter. So we do, how many feet are in a meter?
Oh, about 3 1/4.
3.
Give or take.
No. Okay. So we want meters here and feet here so that these units cancel out. And we're left with feet. So they're about 3.25 feet in 1 meter. So we can see we can just multiply across 78.4 times 3.25, and this is 254.8 feet. So this is a pretty large cliff, and this guy may or may not die. I don't know. Let's hope he lives.
What's the moral of this story?
Don't light your cigarette in a car because it may catch on fire and you may fall off a cliff. Yeah, but do your physics.